Hello, babes.
Who are you talking to?
There is no one else but you, so it means I'm talking to you.
Yes, what?
How are you doing today, babe?
Fine, but who are you and what do you need?
Nothing. How should I tell you?
What? What's the matter?
I saw you just over there. You're such a beautiful girl. Your look is inspiring me.
So what?
So, may I know your name? By the way, I'm Bilal.
Bridget from Lahore.
Great. Can I have your number, please?
Direct number. Sorry.
So, let's start love with each other. Then I'll get your number. Is that okay for you?
You are so clever. And handsome too.
Appreciation, and that even mine. Can I sit with you?
Yeah, but.
But what? Oh, come on. Don't be shy. I know your heart is longing to sit with me.
Excuse me.
Ha ha ha. I'm just joking.
Whatever.
Sitting with you makes my heart beat faster. I don't know why.
I think you need to go to the doctor.
No, I don't need any doctor. I just need you.
Either way, I'm gonna latte, so we must dash.
But it's so quick.
Okay, we will see again. Have a good day.
I wish it's so.
Dear son, what happened? I'm seeing you that you are looking sad today.
Nothing, Mom.
Look, Hector, I'm your mom, and I know when my son is happy and when he is sad.
Mom, Annie break up with me. And you know how much I love her.
My dear son, I can understand your feelings. But you think about me. I'm just living with you. And I don't have without you.
Yeah, Mom, please, you will never leave me.
Honey, how could I believe you? You are my life, my son.
Oh. Dear Mom, you are one of the kind.
Oh dear. Annie. What happened to you?
Please sis, you just leave me alone.
Annie. What's the way of talking this?
Sissy, I've already told you, Hector left me. I couldn't understand me.
Oh Annie. Sometimes you admire of Hector, and sometimes you backbite him. What is this?
I miss him a lot. My heart is crying.
Okay, I'll talk to him just for you.
No sis, you don't need to talk with him. Now please take me some rest.
Okay dear, please take care.
Yes sis.
Please subscribe to my channel.
If you want next part of this video, please let me know in the comments, then I'll upload for you. And please make sure to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.
Thanks for watching.